Day 2. Time to fill up this trailer and this truck. Make about 100 runs to the dump. Probably going to try to get all the big stuff out of here that I can lift. And then throw the rest of the rubble and crap in a roll-off dumpster. So today I'm just getting the stuff that would be way too bulky to throw in the dumpster, like the couches and mattresses and, I don't know, furniture that's going to take up more room than it's worth. And yeah, let's start throwing stuff away. Alright, I'm back from the dump. The total weight of that load, that first load, was 1,120 pounds. So basically half a ton. And it cost me $31.85. So if you consider that that was about a 15-minute drive, and this truck hauling that kind of weight probably gets 10 miles per gallon or something, we'll just say that was probably like 3 gallons of gas or $10 of gas. So we'll say about $45 altogether, $40 altogether. And then when you think about, I'll do a more detailed analysis of this after I do all this trash hauling, but when you consider a roll-off dumpster that's a 40-yard dumpster, I think it can hold 8 tons, and then it's $40 a ton after that. You rent it out for 7 days, and that costs like $550. So I'm thinking that would be maybe, what's that, 8 tons. This is half a ton, but this is a lot of volume. I'm thinking that a roll-off dumpster versus the dump, 10 trips to the dump, about 10 or 12 trips to the dump would be a roll-off dumpster for the cost. I don't know, man. I think that a roll-off dumpster is probably about worth it when you consider that it took me an hour to drive there, unload, and drive back, and it only took me like 30 or 40 minutes to load the truck. So I could have been getting a lot more work done in that time throwing it all in the dumpster. But this is a small house, so I'm still thinking about it. A roll-off dumpster isn't a major ripoff, but I'll get more into depth after I get home and make a better analysis. So yeah. Alright, we got load number 2. I didn't videotape putting it all in there, but it's just all the other it's all the other dressers and you know, mattresses and crap like that. The only thing left in the house right now is just the completely burned crap in the kitchen. Bunch of kids' toys, blankets, clothes, all that junk. One of the neighbors just stopped by, said his name was Kyle. This is for documentation. Looked a little bit scummy. He's driving a nice gray truck, might have been a dually, I don't remember, with contractor stuff in the back, had a lot of tattoos, goatee. But yeah, and he specifically asked me if there was anything of value left in the house, which I thought was very interesting. But we talked about my roof and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna take this load to the dump. I try to fit as much possible on there, and then I think I'm definitely going to get the haul away or the roll away rental trailer, because double handling this and ratchet strapping and taking an hour, basically an hour round trip to the dump, is really not sounding fun right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the dump, dump her off, and be back. Second load was $34, pretty similar to the first one. Alright guys, well, I've gotten all the big furniture out of the house. Now it's time, well, I already started, but it's time to start on the dreaded kitchen. And then I'm gonna order the roll-off dumpster. So yep, here's the kitchen one more time. Gonna be a lot of shoveling. I made sure I saved a lot of the blankets and stuff. Didn't throw them away yet because I'm gonna be piling up all the crap on the blankets and taking them out like Santa Claus. Alright guys, well I got the fridge out. I didn't film because I was doing it one breath at a time. I'd sprint in there with one breath, my mask on. I don't have a respirator, I'm gonna get one right now when I go to the dump. But I'd sprint in there, I'd move the fridge a little bit, I'd sprint back out, breathe a bunch, sprint back in. Look at this. There are maggots and bugs and all kinds of disgusting stuff inside of this sludge in the fridge. It's disgusting. I knocked the fridge over. All of the drawers came out on the ground. That's why it's empty right now. And I'm running in there one breath at a time with the shovel, scooping it into that trash can. I'm gonna put the lid on the trash can, take it to the dump like that. That's the way I'm doing this. Alright, I got the third and final load for the day. About to go to the dump. It's like 3:30 and I think the dump closes at 5, so I don't have enough time to make another trip. I called the rollaway dumpster company today and I'm gonna have a dumpster here on Tuesday morning. It's Thursday right now. So a few days. I guess I'll probably do some demo and continue making dump runs until that happens. Yeah, but same old same tomorrow. I got everything big out of that house except for the water pump, or I don't know what it's called, that blue tank, the pressure tank, and the washer and dryer. I'm hoping the dump gives me some money for all this scrap metal I have, or gives me a discount or something. I kind of doubt they will, but maybe. Well, this probably be the last video for the day. It'll be the same thing tomorrow.